This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage using paper. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several sheets of green paper, ideally in 2 or 3 different shades to add depth. Grab a pair of sharp scissors, some craft glue, and a pencil. A circular object, like a small plate or a compass, will also be very helpful for tracing your initial shapes. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your paper cabbage. Now, let's start shaping those beautiful cabbage leaves. Begin by tracing and cutting out about 10 to 12 circles from your green paper. Make sure to vary the sizes, some larger, around 4 inches in diameter, and some smaller, about 2.5 inches. Once cut, gently crinkle each paper circle. Then, slightly fold and curl the edges to give them a more organic, leafy appearance, mimicking real cabbage texture. Next, we'll create the core of our paper cabbage. Take a small piece of green paper, perhaps a 2-inch by 2-inch square, and crumple it tightly into a compact ball. This will be the central base onto which all your leaves will be attached. Apply a tiny dab of glue to secure its shape, ensuring it holds together firmly. This core provides the necessary structure for a robust and realistic paper cabbage. Finally, let's bring our cabbage to life by layering the leaves. Start by gluing the smallest crinkled leaves around the paper core you just made. Overlap them slightly, working your way outwards with the medium-sized leaves and then the largest ones. Continue this process, adding layers until your paper cabbage looks full, round, and wonderfully realistic. You've now created a beautiful paper cabbage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.